What's going on, guys? Dylan here, back with another YouTube video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a fishing trap thing. I'm kind of mad right now because I filmed this video 4 times and I've messed up because I've paused the video, and on my stupid phone you can't keep on recording after you stop the video or whatever. So basically the things you're going to need is some bait, some pliers or a knife or something, some fishing line, a bobber, a hook, and a weight. So basically you're gonna tie like everything kind of like a rod you would, and then you're gonna throw it out there, but you're gonna tie it to something before you throw it, so you don't have to like go in this place and get the bobber or whatever. Okay, throw it out real quick. Okay, I just tied the thing to a couple of sticks and now it's in the water. I'll come back tomorrow or later today. I'm gonna come check on it once I catch something. So bye, guys. Alright, guys, it's like an hour later. Oh, look, there's a turtle in the water. No way. That's crazy, bro. Alright, I'm gonna see if I caught anything. Alright, it doesn't really look like I caught anything. Oh, I feel something. Oh, got a little fishy dude. Alright, let's go. Okay. So let's go. I got a little fishy dude. Yeah, it's like an hour later. So let's go, alright? So the fish trap works. Just get this hook out of his mouth. Okay, just got the hook out of this little dude's mouth. So I'm gonna release him. So bye, guys. Thanks for watching. And I'm only catch and release. There he goes. Bye.